Hello, good people. Bernard again, back with unboxing of a firearm I got today. Today, I am unboxing a Smith & Wesson Spec Series 5 M&P9 Metal HD. So, let's see. I've been waiting for this since I've been watching like videos of YouTube. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay, what the hell's back there? Oh, it's a lock. Okay, so lock back here, some back. All right. So this is cool. It comes with a commemorative coin. Look at that. It's kind of cool. All right. And then it also comes with a limited edition knife. Ooh, look at that shit. Okay. All right. I'll put this aside for now. And what else we have here? Let's just pull up the firearm. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, you know, safety check as always. Nothing. All right, look at those serrations. Clear, of course, it's clear because it's new. But let's look at the trigger. Somewhere to here. It's not bad actually. See the reset I heard is pretty nice reset. The short. Okay, I like it. See, there's a compensator here, Strike Industries. And look at that finish. Look at that barrel, blue, optic ready, magwell. Okay, what else do we have here? Ooh, okay, so it comes with 3 magazines. There's the other one. So there's 3 of them. And then you have your extra grip. It's different sizes. You can change it. What else do I want to show you? Okay. Let's go back to the this one right here. Let's put it back real fast. Back here. All right. Let's see my notes because I don't remember everything. I don't know this stuff too much, but all right. So it's a 9mm. Like I said. Full frame, 23 round capacity. It's, I believe, 2.31 pounds. It's look at it. It's a flat face aluminum trigger. By the way, the whole frame is steel frame. Optic ready slide. I already talked about the grip inserts. It's different sizes, small, medium, large, and large. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this one. So anyways, the guy said don't shoot it because, you know, it might be worth more someday, but I don't know. I think I might shoot this one. The other video, you will see I might not shoot that one. But this one I think I will shoot because I shoot most of my guns and I train with them, so... But I think this is cool. It retails, I believe, $16.99. Some may say it's too much. Maybe it is. I don't know. But since, you know, I wanted to collect, there's a coin, the knife, and then the compensator. You probably can get the other one. I think it has almost similar features, except for the trigger. It's like $1,000. But anyways, I like this one. I'm going to try this out. And that's it. So please like and subscribe so I can do more videos. All right. Talk to you guys later.